everyone, and thank you for attending this CLE presentation on disbursement challenges in special needs trust and settlement preservation trusts. To briefly introduce myself, my name is Ben Tiefenback. I'm Counsel and Director of Client Services at Commonwealth Community Trust, a nonprofit that administers pooled special needs trust and settlement preservation trusts around the country. My background is in estate planning and elder law, and I've been focusing significantly on trusts in general and special needs trusts in particular. So that's who I am. As you know, you've heard this a million times before. This is not legal advice. It is educational. Although I'm always happy to field questions. You'll have my contact information at the end. And of course, you can ask questions during the presentation. So to briefly go over what we're going to be discussing today, when you're dealing with questions about challenging disbursement scenarios, so you've got a trust, you've got a beneficiary, they've asked for something, or you're considering whether to buy something or make a disbursement. One of the big things that makes those calls difficult, especially when we're in the special needs trust context, is government benefits. So we'll give a brief overview of the different forms of government benefits that can affect disbursement decisions. Again, that's what we're concerned about, the things that affect what money is flowing out of a trust. We're going to talk about the types of trust, because that obviously has a significant effect on any disbursement decision. The first question you should be asking with almost any trust-related decision is, what does the document say? What distribution standard am I under? So we'll discuss the different types of trust we may be dealing with a disbursement question about. We will discuss this really is one of the meat of it. Where the rubber meets the road is the administration of a trust. Again, whether special needs or typically what we see would be a settlement preservation trust. We'll talk very briefly about able accounts and the way they can solve certain disbursement challenges. Go into a chunk of estate planning, so identifying problems and solving them before they happen for your estate planning clients, and then discuss some specific fact patterns, time permitting. Again, please send in your questions. I will handle them as we go through the presentation.